Sometimes you just don't have time for social media posts. They're time consuming to come up with the content, write it out, post it. I'm going to show you a much easier way to come up with the ideas for your social media posts, and not just come up with the ideas, but have them all generated for you by AI, specifically using ChatGPT. And then I'm going to show you a little trick you can use in Canva too. Let's get started. So here I am in ChatGPT, and you can see that I've generated a bunch of posts for my theoretical dog walking business. So how I did this really easily is I just went in and I said, please provide me with 10 Facebook post ideas for my dog walking business Facebook business page. Please make the posts lighthearted and funny. And so I'm pretending theoretically that I own a dog walking business. I'm trying to come up with posts for my business page, and check out what it came up with. They're really awesome posts. So ever wonder what your dog does while you're at work? Here's a hint. They're with us living the good life, right? Super cool. Rain or shine, we walk dogs all the time. Our secret, waterproof shoes and lots of doggy treats. What's our job, you ask? We're just professional squirrel chasers, right? These are all funny and lighthearted. And now what I'm gonna show you next is, obviously you probably want an image to go with these, and going to find the perfect image for all of these is not easy until now. So if I jump right over here to Canva, I'm going to go into Canva, and if you missed it in my other video, check out my other video about how to get to this part of Canva. But basically, I'm just going to generate the exact images I want for my social media post. So let's just pick that one. That's a really cute one. We're just professional squirrel chasers. So I'm going to go in here, and the image that probably comes to your mind is dog walker, or dog on a leash trying to chase a squirrel. Let's just do that, right? Let's see what it comes up with, because that, to me, that's what's in my head. That would probably be the perfect image to go with this post. So I'm going to put that right into Canva here, and there we go. We've got a dog trying to chase a squirrel. Look at how cool that is. I've already set this up so it's the right size for Facebook, and here we go. It's a dog trying to chase a squirrel, right? And now you can play around with this, and so, you know, dog on a leash with dog walker behind them trying to chase a squirrel, right? So let's see what this comes up with. I might want to reword that a little bit, 'cause it kind of seems like I'm saying the dog walker is trying to chase a squirrel, but we'll see. Nope, here we go. So perfect. So now you can see the dog walker running behind. Looks like the dog's being chased. Now we've got like the perfect image to go with this potentially. And that fits really nice with this cool, we're professional squirrel chasers. And you can just play around with the language here to get the exact image that you want. It's super, super cool and easy to do. Now you've got your image and your post, and that took literally 2 seconds to do. Now, maybe you're going for a different theme. So maybe I want to do something different. And here's the power of ChatGPT. I put in, please provide me with 5 Facebook post ideas for my dog walking Facebook business page. Please make the post about tips for safely walking a dog, and please position me as the expert in dog walking, right? Very cool. Next thing happens. So did you know that walking extreme weather can hurt your furry friend's paws? And as an experienced dog walker, I recommend booties for hot pavement or icy sidewalks, right? Awesome tip here. Attention dog parents, one of the cardinal rules in dog walking is to always carry water for both you and your pet. As a professional dog walker, I often get asked, how can I stop my dog from pulling on my leash? My tip, patience and consistency. Train your pup by stopping in your tracks when they pull, and only move forward once the leash is slack. These are awesome posts as well. So you had a lighthearted post, then you have really nice expert posts. And again, we can go back and do the same thing. We can come up with something to post here. So let's just say like, well-behaved dog, right? I'll just do something generic. So now I can just pick out, let this generate a well-behaved dog. Maybe it goes with that, dogs that's well-behaved there. Look at really cute picture of dog and their owner. Here's a really nice picture of a dog. And now here's the other thing that you can do too. If you're saying, well, I'd like a different style, you can go right into the styles here and just pick whichever one you want. So just depending on, how you want your Facebook page to look, you can do neon posts that look like photos. You can do gradients, anime. You can even do like colored pencil. So let's just do that for fun. And it'll regenerate posts for you in a colored pencil style. So people will probably notice on your Facebook page, how do you come up with all these cool images? You can use psychedelic styles. You can use colored pencil styles. And your secret is that you're using artificial intelligence to come up with it. And then once I'm done with this, I can just download this over here. And then I've got a really cool image to go with my post. And you can do film styles, you can do minimalist, you can do vibrant, and then I can just go back to photos for consistency. So if you just want to use photos too, it'll generate a photo style of a well-behaved dog. And that's how you use ChatGPT and then the AI tools in Canva to just generate social media posts that are really awesome. You can tell it anything you want to, if you want it fun and lighthearted, if you want it serious, if you want it, cautionary, if you want to be positioned as an expert, and it'll write these really, really great social media posts for you. And then you can just use Canva to come up with the images. And that's how you can use artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT and Canva's image generator tool, to come up with social media posts for your small business. Wishing you the best of luck. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe and like this video, share it. Leave a comment below. Let us know how this helps out your social media posts or any questions that you have. Thanks so much. Have a great day.